Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to invest those persons who received awards in the Australia Day 2009 Honours List.
Appointed a Member of the Order of Australia in the General Division, Dr. Marika AM. For service to Indigenous communities in rural and remote areas as an educator, linguist and scholar.
May I say personally that having first come here in 1970 and known Dr. Marika's father very well, and Eunice, and so many members of the family, that it's a great personal thing for me to be making this award today, and I hope people get a lot of happiness out of this recognition.
Of the same.